Traders, welcome guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Big news on Bitcoin. If you guys remember, we called a sell signal, an early sell signal on Bitcoin around 113, right? 113, I believe, on Bitcoin. Bitcoin got below 113, broke through a decent support. We have an official sell signal. So not only do we have a red candle, but we also have a white arrow, got below resistance, support at around 109. All right, now it's pulled back up a bit at 112, but we do have red candles, so we have an official sell signal on Bitcoin. Okay, so that's a big deal, guys. So if you guys look here, our buy signal was here, failed on the daily time frame, and we got a sell signal here, and sellers are coming in, right? Sellers are coming in here, red candles right here. Now it's pulled back a bit. All right, so it made a low at 108, 109, high 108, but really 109. Let's call it 109 right here. All right, we'll see if it can hold that support area here, or we move in higher resistance. So right in that area here, we'll see if it holds, trading at 112. So that is the big news as we open up in this evening here. The equity markets were up today, so the Dow was up. All right, Dow was up 135, so 135 points, the Dow. S&P was up, NASDAQ was up, the Russell was up as well. So on the daily time frame, all four of our indexes are holding firm. All right, so the S&P is holding its buy signal here. NASDAQ is holding its buy signal. All right, big move, guys, in the NASDAQ. Dow is holding its new buy signal, and the Russell is also holding its buy signal. The VIX is at 1462, so we still have low volatility in the VIX. 1462, that is really good. All right, the dollar has made a bounce, all right, back up to 98. So we are really in a tight range here between 97 and 98 on the dollar index. So we're in a very, very tight range right here on the dollar index. Okay. We got white candles here. We do have a buy signal, right? We have a buy signal with red candles. All right. So we'll see if the dollar can finally break to the upside, but it has been consolidating. All right. Currently, the dollar is down, slightly down right here. The Dow E-minis in the futures market slightly up. So the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, and the Russell, all the E-minis are slightly up right now. Tech sector is still the #1 sector. Let's take a look here. So where's technology? Right here is tech. All right, so tech did a nice pullback, guys. Made a low right here, about 256, and bounced since then. Good price action on tech, trading at 260, 263. Nice bounce, nice recovery. Remember the buy signal on tech was right at 218. So looks good. Good price action, clearly in the markup phase. You guys can see that right here. All right. So that is still the #1 sector. Quick look at financials. Financials gave a new buy signal. I saw that came in. That came in a couple of days ago here. So we have a new buy signal in financials. Keep an eye on Stock Boss traders, guys. Keep an eye on financials, okay? Stock Boss, small caps really like financials. So keep an eye on that with this new buy signal here. And it's reaccumulation trade. So that's a reaccumulation trade as we move higher and we are breaking resistance. All right. All right, so reaccumulation, first trade was here. New trade, we are breaking resistance here. Buy signal, green candle here. The next one, let's go through these here. Silver is still holding firm. Gold, you guys know what gold is doing. Gold is consolidating here. I know gold was extremely bullish, but it's holding for right now. It is trying to make a move higher, but it is holding. Keep an eye on healthcare, all right? And same with financials for healthcare. Small caps really love healthcare, guys. So our stock boss traders, keep an eye. We're starting to see more stocks come in through heat seeker for stock boss on in that healthcare sector. All right, so healthcare stocks, so your biotech stocks, those have been depressed for a while, but we finally got a buy signal. That buy signal came in late last week. Right here, it's pulled back, but look here. All right, looks to move higher right here. All green candles, so buyers are holding here. Just keep in mind that last buy signal, guys, came in all the way in January. So this is a big deal, all right? New buy signal. And again, that should, your small cap stocks, right? Those biotech stocks, those cheap stocks that we like, all right? In Stock Boss, healthcare is a big part of that. Healthcare and financials, all right? Just remember, tech, that's mainly your large cap stocks coming out of Bullmaster, all right? So, that's very encouraging. We still needed to break through resistance here, right, and start moving higher. But healthcare looks good. Biotech, let's take a quick look at biotech. All right, biotech, our buy signal came in a little earlier in the year, and we are moving higher, but slowly moving higher here. All green candles. So biotech is shaping up as well, but really keep an eye on healthcare and financials here. All right, and as always, tech is holding, looking good here. The VIX, guys, is at 1462. You guys can see that here. So we have really low VIX, really low volatility. So that's really good for the equity markets, right? Low volatility is what we want. 1462. So it looks like we'll close low for the month. We're on a monthly time frame here. Hopefully next month as we get into September. And this is going against seasonality, guys. All right. We are really going against seasonality here. We really should be selling off here. But we've had our sell-off already earlier in the year. So guess what? We are continuing to stay bullish. All right. But this is not typical for this time of the year. Okay, so we'll see if we can continue to have low volatility as we go into September. As we come out of September, get into the fourth quarter, let's hope we can stay bullish and have a great fourth quarter and have a good Christmas rally. All right, the Mag 7s are doing good. Had an update today on the Mag 7s. Tesla is still consolidating but moving higher. All right, we have a buy signal on Tesla right here, but we got some red candles consolidated, a sell signal here. We're going to call, right? We're getting good price action here, but we really have to get past resistance here on Tesla to call a new buy signal. Okay, so Tesla needs to get above, let's call it above 375 right here to call a buy signal. All right, otherwise we might get back into that consolidation here. All right, into this triangle right here. All right, so we are breaking out. Let's see if we can get past resistance here and we'll call it. All right, so Tesla is setting up, not quite ready yet. Nvidia keeps moving higher, keeps doing well. Our buy signal on Tesla came in at 123. All right, we're trading right at 181 right here, guys, 181, and we're right at that resistance. Tesla looks good to continue to move higher. All right, would not be surprised, no guarantee. All right, but would not be surprised if we break through resistance here on Nvidia. All right, on Nvidia and move towards about $200. All right. No guarantee, but based on the price action here, all green candles, yellow support and resistance. All right, good price action. looks like we could move, and we at all-time highs here on Nvidia. Looks like we could get to a nice round number of $200 on Nvidia. All right. Next one here, Apple. All right, Apple looks good here, guys. We have a buy signal here. We need to get to that resistance level. Buy signal was on Apple 218, most recent buy signal. These buy signals, guys, are recent buy signals. Okay, a bit of a pullback here. Held support, near-term support. Green candles here, and we're looking to move higher. We've got to get to 259 to really get moving here. We're at 129. All right, but at least we have a buy signal, and buyers are coming in, and we are holding there on Apple. Amazon is setting up for a buy signal. All right, guys, so here was our previous trade here at a high buy at 210, closed at 217. We're waiting for a new buy signal if we break through resistance right here, right around 239, 240. No buy signal. That buy signal will come in on a break of resistance here. All right, so Amazon is setting up. Again, no buy signal yet on Amazon. Meta, Facebook, we do have a buy signal. All right, on the second trade, we're in the markup phase. All right, so buy signal here. First buy signal was at 631. Sell signal came in at 690. All right, current buy signal 777. All right, retrace held, no red candles. All right, no sell signal. All right, and is now moving higher. Currently closed at 755. Okay, to really get Meta going, we've got to break through resistance here. Keep in mind that we are overbought. All right, so we have purple, all these purple support and resistance here. That's not good. All right, we'll still hold it, stay with it. Okay, however, we've got purple support and resistance, so we are getting high in that markup phase. All right, just be aware of that for Meta. These are all on the daily time frame. Okay, Microsoft has a sell signal. Be aware of that, guys. So Microsoft, if you're trading with us, trading on our systems, we do have a sell signal on the daily time frame. All right, if you're trading on another time frame, that's fine, but on the daily time frame, we have a sell signal. Now, if we get a sell signal on the daily time frame, there's a good possibility that the 240 or the 60-minute time frame will also have sell signals. Okay, so a buy signal on Microsoft came in at 430, gave a sell signal at 505, right around there. So we should close that trade on Microsoft. In order to get another buy signal on Microsoft, guys, we've got to get, I would say, right around the resistance here. We can call this resistance right about here at around 530. All right. So 30 points away from getting a new buy signal. And Google, let's take a look here. All right, it is breaking resistance. Good trade here. All right, Nvidia is your best of the Max 7s. It has the best price action. I think Google here has the second best. Okay, buy signal came in at 181. It's breaking resistance here, guys. Breaking the highs, all green candles here. Got past purple support and resistance. Good price action, looks good. And the max for the Max 7 also looks good. Price action very similar to Nvidia. All green candles here, yellow support and resistance, and we are breaking the highs here. All right, so the mags are looking good. Good price action. That will help the overall equity markets, in particular large caps, mega cap stocks. Okay, all right, let's go through big picture. All right, Dow on the 240, guys. Dow on the 240, buy signal here, holding. So 240 looks good. All right. On the daily time frame on the Dow, daily time frame on the Dow. Yeah, 240 is here, daily time frame. Buy signal here, and we pull back from the all-time highs, but still holding, and we're breaking resistance here. Now, if sellers come in, guys, we'll see that on the 240. All right, we are high, so just be aware of that. Dow on the weekly time frame, buy signal, we are moving out nicely there. Monthly time frame, we are breaking resistance. So these indexes are strong. Equity markets continue to be very strong. Okay, S&P on the 240, buy signal here, and we are breaking out. All right, resistance here. We are breaking out on the 240 daily right here, guys. All-time highs, guys. Do not fight this market. All right. All right. S&P on the weekly time frame, buy signal here, moving higher. Purple support and resistance. So we are getting overbought there. S&P on the monthly, moving up nicely. And the NASDAQ, we did get a sell signal on the 240, but buyers are coming back in, all right? So we'll wait for a buy signal on the 240. NASDAQ, it's holding its buy signal all the way down here. On the daily, on the weekly here. Let's clean this up. And on the monthly here. Russell, we do have a buy signal on the Russell. Look here, guys. We are moving higher. Look at the Russell. All right. Buy signal here on the 240, moving up higher. Purple support and resistance. So keep an eye on that. Okay. Russell on the daily, buy signal here. We're moving up nicely. And on the weekly, we are getting very close to the all-time highs on the Russell. We've come a long way, guys. Right, long way on the Russell, small caps. All right, got all the way down here. All right, to that support level, held, and look how close we are. All right, so we'll call it right about here, support here. Look how close we are to the all-time highs. Just a nice recovery. And again, your healthcare stocks, financial stocks are starting to show up in heat seeker. Okay, so be aware of that. Good price action there on the Russell. Very proud of that, that index there. Monthly time frame, we are breaking out. All right, and again, this is how close we are to the all-time high. We talked about Bitcoin. Really keep an eye on Bitcoin, guys. Really struggling to hold. Remember, Bitcoin came from a high of 123. It's trading at 112. All right, so that's 10,000 points. But the bottom line is we've got sellers coming in red candle. All right, next support is at around 100,000. Okay, and you guys know Bitcoin can move fast, so that's not a big deal. That can happen in one day. Okay. Well, not one day, a few days. Let's call it a few days here. All right. So, and then next support, 90. But let's see what it does here. You know, we can get buyers to certainly come back in, get green candles, and start to move higher, just like it did here. So just keep an eye on it. All righty. Gold is holding firm. All right, no selling yet. We have buyers a few buyers coming in. We'll call a buy signal again. We'll send out the alert if we can get above 3,500. All right, so 3,500. All right, we got to get past this consolidation here in gold in order to move higher. Okay. All right, silver. Looks really good, guys. Trading at $35. Silver, good price action, holding firm. Crude oil, the same thing. Bonds, same thing, nothing here. And let's take a look at pound yen. So pound yen on the daily, no breakout. All right. So we still haven't broken out on pound yen. All right. So pound yen still holding here. All right. We got to get past resistance. That's too bad with pound yen. That's too bad, guys. So nothing new with pound yen and the Forex market. Okay? All right, current positions. We only have a few positions in Monster Scalper on the 240. Euro New Zealand. All right, buy signal was here, a decent trade here. Buy signal here. Sell signal here, so let's close the trade. EUR NZD on the 240. Go ahead and close that trade, please. EUR NZD. Swiss yen. Swiss yen. Buy signal here. Broke support. Sell signal. So still choppy, guys, in Forex. ZAR yen on the 240. All right. Buy signal here. Red candle. Sell signal. Okay. So Forex is still struggling. Those are all the trades we have in Forex. We'll take a quick look at Monster Scalper, but we're going to spend some time in equities this evening. Okay. Current positions in Stock Boss. Let's go through those. If we get a sell signal, I'll call out the symbols. All right. Otherwise, we'll just go through it. We're looking for all green candles. All right. So we want to look for all green candles to hold. White candles will continue to hold since the market is still bullish. Red candles will sell. White arrow will sell. Okay. All right. Good price action here. All right, so you guys see that? All righty. Good price action there. Good price action. All green candles is what we want to see here. All right. TERN, good trade going there. Buy signal was at 350, trading at 725, guys. Good trade going here. JMIA buy signal was right around 250, trading at 894, guys. 255, 894, good trade going there. All right, these are all holding firm. So nothing has closed so far in Stock Boss, so that's good. Let's take a look at Bull Master. So large cap stocks. Same thing. We need green candles here. All right. Good trade going there. All green candles. Those are buyers, so we want to hold. All right. Good trade going there. PRIM, that buy signal came in around $65, trading at 117. Good trade there. STRL, buy signal came in around 130, it looks like, trading at 292. Good trade. So the bottom line is we want to just make sure these trades are holding and we don't have sellers coming in. All right, let them run. So far, nothing to close in Bull Master. We'll take a quick look at Heat Seeker as well. All All right. So nothing to close in Bullmaster and Stock Boss. That is great news. So we'll definitely look for new opportunities this evening in equities. Okay. And the market was up today. So we'll look to add. Remember, if the market is down, days when the equity markets, the indexes are down, we do not add alerts. Okay. Only when it's up. And when these indexes have buy signals. Okay, so far these alerts that we have, guys, we've sent out, those are holding firm. Quick look at Monster Scalper here. Let's do Forex first. So we're still consolidating, guys. So in Forex Dominator, we've got about 11 or so pairs that are above 20. You guys can see here, right? So there's the bind here. That's about it. All the rest of these pairs here consolidating. All right, so Forex is still in a tight consolidation. Let's look at the number one here. That's nothing here. All right. Let's go to the long. All right. So in the long, USD, HKD, Aussie yen. All right. So this is the best trade, guys. All right. No buy signal here. All right. So that's about it. Okay. So not a lot going on in Forex. All that capital is going into equities right now. That's the way it works. All right, Monster Scalper. All right, so we have about what, 50%, about 40%, 45% volatility there. Quick look. All right, so Aussie pairs. This is on the 240. Still very choppy, guys. Still very choppy. Amazing. Look at that consolidation here. Amazing. Still very choppy. Look at that. Look at pound yen. Look at that. Nothing here, guys. You guys can see that, right? Yeah. All right. So very all over the place. All right. No consistent buying. No consistent selling. This has been the worst Forex market, guys, that I have seen in a very, very long time. All right, seems like everyone is afraid of the Forex market. All right, so nothing there. On the 60-minute time frame, just make sure nothing there. So just continue to be careful. You can trade Forex. All right, but just be careful, guys. Just be careful. US 30. We had an amazing Friday last Friday. Going live. All right, we cut a lot of this trade here. We're waiting for a buy signal. I don't know if we'll call that buy signal. We don't have very good structure. That buy signal might come in pretty high. on the 60-minute time frame. We might just wait for Friday to day trade it, okay? But it looks like it's setting up nicely. What's today? Tuesday. So we have a few days to set up. We are breaking resistance here on the daily time frame. On the 60-minute time frame, we'll get a buy signal, a high buy signal there, okay? That's the US 30 there. Hold on. All right. On the NAS 100, long, quick look here. We do have a buy signal on the NAS. I think we'll call this one. All right, so. All right. And the NAS has been doing well. Okay, so on the daily time frame, on the NAS 100 right here, guys, we have a buy signal here, and we have a nice triangle forming here. Buyers are coming here on the daily time frame. We look to break out, and we have a buy signal right here on the 60-minute time frame. All right, right here, you guys can see that buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Our target will be here. That's reaccumulation. All righty, so buy signal here, we'll call it. So N, NAS, long, 60-minute time frame. Okay. All right. Let's go through Stock Boss. Let's look for new opportunities in Stock Boss. All right, this is good here. That's all green. So 110 in Stock Boss, guys, that's a lot in Stock Boss. So small cap stocks, that Russell is moving. That's good. Bull Master, let's take a look. So our Stock Boss traders, our Bull Master traders, you guys should be all over this market. 134 in Bull Master. Okay, so let's go through these. We look for new buy signals. We want buyers on the weekly. All right, we've got about 20 minutes to go through this. We'll go through this quick. Our focus will be in Stock Boss, small cap stocks. Okay, all right, these will follow the Russell. So let me just remind you guys what the Russell is doing here. So remember, we take a look at the indexes first, then the sector, then the stock. Because we holding firm, we're moving higher. This is the Russell right here. We don't have to be too concerned with the sector. Just look at the price action. All right, so this is the Russell, small caps. Buy signal, we're moving higher on the daily. All right, so we're using a good time frame. And let's go back here. And let's go through those symbols. We ran Heat Seeker. We ran how many? So 111 out of 22,000 stocks, guys. So let's go through these. We're looking for new buy signals. Buyers, we'll need buyers on the weekly time frame. At a minimum, white candle or green candle. Okay? All right. All right, ALEC in Stock Boss. If you're not trading with us, if you do not have our systems, please do not take these trades. Right? You might have the entry, but we do not send out the exits. Right? You have to use your systems for the exit. BORR in Stock Boss. BW in Stock Boss. CDZI in Stock Boss. That's gone. Some of these would have left the building already, okay, guys? So don't chase them. D. Tons of opportunities here, so do not chase these. We are looking for trades that are coming out of the markdown phase, all right? So markdown accumulation and then markup, right? We are not looking for reaccumulation trades, okay? Like we would in Bull Master. So we need trades that are coming out of the markdown. We'll take a reaccumulation trade, but it's got to be almost perfect, okay? FFWM in Stock Boss. FTRE in Stock Boss. Now that's a little high in price. That's $8.89. All right, so but we'll call it FTRE. That's a little rich for Stock Boss, but we'll call it. That's gone. That's gone. That's gone. The stocks are moving. So stop fighting with Forex, okay, guys? Notice we're not sending out a lot of alerts in stock for Forex in Monster Scalper. There's nothing to send out, all right? So follow the market that's moving. All right, IRWD. At some point, stocks will stop and other market will move. JELD in Stock Boss. We'll post this in the SKOOL community, so you guys can join us in the SKOOL community. All right. NRGV in Stock Boss. OLMA in Stock Boss. POWW in Stock Boss. So guys, we'll do Stock Boss this evening. What's that? Tuesday. On Thursday, we'll do Bull Master, okay? Thursday, we'll do Bull Master. RD and W in Stock Boss. All right, look at this one. REI. All right, white candle here on the weekly. Look at this daily time frame, guys. Look at this. Look at that markdown phase. Really nice markdown phase. Right, so markdown accumulation. All right, buyers came in on a break of resistance here. Perfect setup. Look at that, guys. And relatively inexpensive, very, very cheap. $1.06 is what it closed today. All right, remember, these are small cap stocks, okay? So that buy signal came in right at 93 cents, trading at 106. But look at the upside, guys. All the way up here. Good upside, good breakout, good candle, long candle here. So REI in Stock Boss. Good setup there. And the weekly looks good. We don't have a green candle, but we do have a white candle here on the weekly time frame. All right. REI. Small caps are moving, guys. That's where all the money is going right now. In equities. All right. Don't chase these. Notice a lot of these have left, guys, so don't chase them. All right. All right. ZNTL looks good, but we have a red candle there on the weekly. ZURA in Stock Boss. And that's the last one, right? So we've got about 15 in Stock Boss, not bad. All right, so we'll send those out. We'll post those in SKOOL. Okay, guys? So good news, small cap stocks are moving. Our Stock Boss traders, I know we didn't go through particular sectors here, but keep an eye on financials, healthcare. All right, tech is fine. Tech still holding, but financials, healthcare looks really, really good. But Stock Boss is moving. Bull Master is holding firm as well. I think we had how many in Bull Master? Let's see here. We had 134, so 134 stocks in Bull Master. We had how many in Stock Boss? 109 in Stock Boss. Okay, so that's a good amount. That's a good amount. Okay, normally Bull Master is a much higher numbers in Bull Master. So Stock Boss is kind of squeezing in there, getting in right in there, and it's been like that for the last couple of weeks now. So keep an eye on Stock Boss. So our heat seeker, our Stock Boss traders, watch your heat seeker. Make sure you guys are paying attention to your new opportunities. We've done an upgrade with your heat seeker where it's flashing new opportunities, right? We color coded so that it flashes new opportunities. If you haven't gotten the update, get in touch with me, okay? All right, guys. All right, take care, and make sure you guys get in touch with me in the SKOOL community if you guys need help. If you're not a member, please, you'll see the link right in the chat here or on the YouTube site, on our site. Join us. Okay, take care, guys. Have a great evening. I'll see everyone on Thursday for the next live stream and Q&A, right? So we're doing Q&A tomorrow, Wednesday, 7:30